It's another year of a great celebration of a general. My name is Pastor Gideon Israel, State Pastor, Omega Fire Ministry, Maryland. I want to celebrate and join the entire Omega Fire Ministry, Maryland, and the entire Omega Fire Ministry worldwide to celebrate my own father, our own father, the Restoration Apostle, Professor Johnson Suleiman. That is another great day and time to celebrate you on your birthday and to wish you a long life, and also to thank God for the grace of God upon your life that is impacting the entire globe. We celebrate you. We wish you a happy birthday. God bless you, Daddy. We love you.